I thought what I would do here real quick, just to do a quick test, is to get this fan set up. So here's the manual, and they tell you where to plug things in. And I actually like CanaKit. I buy a lot of stuff from CanaKits, and this kind of gives you the where all the pins are located. Okay, and they're showing the way this is done. The fan connects to the ground, which is pin 6, and power, which is pin 4. Then the RGB light connects to pin 14, which is ground down here, and pin 2, which is the other 5 volts. So what I'm going to do is, I just happen to have another Raspberry Pi sitting here running, and it's, I'll explain what this is in just a second. So what I have here is a Raspberry Pi 4, which is my network attached storage system. So here's the Raspberry Pi hooked up to network, hooked up to USB, and it's backing up, and I'm using these two Samsung SSDs and a Anker multi-port hub to power them, so the Pi doesn't have to power them. And so this is actually live and backing up the computer as we're talking. So I have to be just a little bit careful with this, but what the heck? It's only computers. So let's plug the fan in. That removes a reasonable amount of air. And it is extremely quiet. That's pleasing. I'm pleased by that. Also saves me $30. We'll see how this all works out. So this pin goes here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. That's a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Okay, let's count that again. So pin 2 is 5, pin 4 is 5, pin 6 is ground, then 8 and 10 are GPIOs, 12 is GPIO, so there's 3 pins, and then there's ground. And now we have pretty lights. Pretty easy to unplug if you don't like it, but reasonably quiet. Doesn't seem to vibrate at all. Well, not much anyway. That's pretty reasonable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with this fan, see how it works and so forth. If it makes too much noise, then we'll put one of the Noctua fans in and see where we go. All right. That was fun.